Okay, let me share very quickly. I saw a scary explosion in Germany, and I was seeing a fire in one of those cities. So let's just stretch our hands. We speak in the mighty name of Jesus. We speak preservation over Germany in the mighty name of Jesus. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Large plume of smoke over Hamburg on Monday afternoon. A fire broke out in a warehouse in the port. Several explosions occurred inside the warehouse. According to the Hamburger Morgenpost, a car in the warehouse is said to have caught fire first. Several gas cylinders are said to have exploded shortly afterwards. Footage shows the extent of the fire. The fire cannot currently be extinguished, as explosions and falling debris pose a serious risk to the firefighters. Individual metal parts were thrown onto the A1 by the explosions. Several people are said to have been injured. The police have closed the motorway in both directions. Debris is also said to have fallen on the premises of the nearby copper company Arubis. A large contingent of firefighters and police are on site. The cause of the fire is still unclear. The emergency services have issued an official warning to the population.